Alright, picture this. You're at the grocery store, you need a little citrus kick for your recipe. You see a pile of bright yellow lemons and next to them a basket of vibrant green limes. You grab one, maybe whichever looks fresher, and toss it in your cart. We've all done it, right? A squeeze here, a zest there. They're basically the same thing, just different colors. But what if I told you that thinking is a culinary crime? What if that simple choice, that seemingly innocent swap, is the one thing standing between a good dish and a truly spectacular one? Because here's the secret the pros know. Lemons and limes are absolutely, positively not interchangeable. Today we're going deep. We're not just talking about one being yellow and the other green. We're breaking down the real differences that most people never explain. We'll get into the science of their taste profiles, exploring why one is sharply sour and the other has a more floral, almost bitter complexity. We'll compare their nutritional scorecards head-to-head, who wins the vitamin C battle. We'll dive into the chemistry of their acidity and how it transforms your cooking, from tenderizing meat to balancing a rich dessert. And most importantly, we'll reveal the critical moments when choosing the wrong one can completely sabotage your dish, turning your perfect guacamole into a sour mess, or your delicate fish dish into a flavor fail. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have the ultimate citrus cheat sheet. You'll finally understand the unique power each one holds, and you'll know, with total confidence, exactly when to grab a lemon and when it absolutely has to be a lime. Your taste buds are about to thank you. But before we squeeze out all the details, let's settle this once and for all. It's time to pick a side. Hit that like button. If you're a fan of all things citrus, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next deep dive, and drop a comment below right now. Are you on Team Lemon or Team Lime? Let the great citrus debate begin. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start simple. Lemons and limes may look similar, but lemons, bright yellow, slightly sweeter taste, higher vitamin C, best for tea, desserts, detox, salad dressings. Limes, bright green, stronger sour punch, more acidic taste, best for cocktails, marinades, and Mexican and Asian dishes. Different flavor profiles equals different uses. Got it? Good. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. We've seen how they look, smell, and taste different, but when it comes to what's inside, which one is actually healthier? To keep things fair, we're going to start by comparing them gram for gram. A standard 100-gram serving, which is about the size of one medium lemon or a couple of small limes. First up, the heavyweight champion of citrus nutrients, vitamin C. This is where we see the biggest difference. Lemons pack a serious punch with about 53 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. That's over half of your recommended daily intake in one go. Limes, while still a fantastic source, come in with around 29 milligrams. So, if you're looking purely for that vitamin C boost, lemons have a clear and significant advantage. It's a key player in immune function and skin health, acting as a powerful antioxidant. Now what about calories? If you're watching your intake, I've got good news for you. It's practically a tie. Both lemons and limes hover around 29 to 30 calories per 100 grams. This is incredibly low, which is why they're a dieter's best friend. You get a massive burst of flavor to liven up your water, salads, and meals without adding any meaningful calories to your daily total. It's all flavor, no baggage. Let's talk fiber. Both fruits contain soluble fiber, mostly in the form of pectin, which is great for digestive health and can help you feel fuller for longer. Here again, lemons have a slight edge, with about 2.8 grams of fiber compared to the lime's 2.4 grams. It's not a huge difference, but it's another small point in the lemons column. And when it comes to sugar, the roles reverse, but only slightly. Lemons contain a little more sugar, which contributes to their slightly less aggressive sourness, while limes have a bit less, making them taste more tart and acidic. And what about those all-important antioxidants? Beyond vitamin C, both fruits are loaded with plant compounds called flavonoids, which help protect your cells from damage. Lemons boast a higher variety, rich in compounds like hesperidin and eriocitrin, which have been linked to better circulation. Limes, however, aren't slacking off. They bring their own unique set of compounds to the table, including camphorol, which is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. So while their profiles differ, both are antioxidant powerhouses. But hold on, who eats 100 grams of lemon? Let's be realistic. Most of us use the juice. So let's compare a tablespoon of juice. Here, the numbers get a lot closer. A tablespoon of lemon juice gives you about 7% of your daily vitamin C, while a tablespoon of lime juice gives you about 4%. The gap narrows, but the lemon still stays ahead. So, the bottom line? From a pure nutritional standpoint, lemons deliver more vitamin C, more fiber, and a broader range of antioxidants. But limes are never far behind and bring their own unique benefits. Both are incredibly healthy, low-calorie choices. So, if we have to declare a winner for immunity support, the title goes to the lemon, thanks to that superior vitamin C content. If you feel a cold coming on, or you're just trying to keep your defenses strong during flu season, reaching for a lemon is a smart, tactical choice. Adding a generous squeeze to a hot cup of tea with honey isn't just comforting. It's delivering a potent dose of that immune-boosting vitamin right where you need it. But for everyday life, let's be clear, the nutritional differences are marginal. You're not going to cure all your ailments by meticulously choosing one over the other for your daily glass of water. The real magic isn't in the micro-comparison. It's in the habit. The real magic is that citrus helps you hydrate by making water more appealing. It helps you flavor your food so you can cut back on salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats without sacrificing taste. That's the smart way to think about nutrition. It's not about one superfood versus another. It's about using these amazing natural ingredients to build healthier habits overall. Taste matters, especially in cooking. Lemons taste bright, citrusy, sweet-tart. Best for tea, desserts, dressings, baking. Limes taste bold, sharp, tangy, with a slight bitter edge. Best for tacos, ceviche, curries, cocktails. Pro tip: if a dish has bold spices or herbs, use lime. If it's light or sweet, use lemon. Dial in the acidity, and the whole dish clicks. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the health benefits. When you get right down to it, both lemons and limes are nutritional powerhouses that can benefit your body in some seriously powerful ways. We're talking about a whole checklist of wellness wins. First up, they're famous for boosting immunity, thanks to that payload of vitamin C we talked about. This isn't just an old wives' tale. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense. They also support healthy digestion. The citric acid in both fruits can help supplement your natural stomach acids, which can decline as we age, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Plus, the flavonoids in citrus may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. And for your skin? The vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. They also improve hydration and can even play a supportive role in a healthy metabolism. But here's what most people don't know. While they share a lot of benefits, they each have areas where they truly excel. Let's start with lemons. Think of lemons as your go-to for immunity, hydration support, and skin health. Because they pack a slightly higher vitamin C punch, they have a small but noticeable edge in supporting your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. A squeeze of lemon in your tea or water is an easy way to up your intake. And when it comes to skin health, that extra vitamin C is a direct investment in your body's collagen factory, helping to repair skin cells and maintain that healthy glow. Now let's talk limes. Limes really shine in a few different arenas. They are celebrated for their potent antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that lime juice can be effective against certain strains of bacteria, which is one reason it's a key ingredient in dishes like ceviche, where it helps to cook the fish. Limes are also fantastic for helping with electrolyte balance. While both fruits contain potassium, an essential electrolyte, limes are often used in drinks and dishes in warmer climates, where you're sweating more and need to replenish those minerals. And as we've mentioned, they are the undisputed champion for pairing with savory and spicy meals, where their specific flavor profile not only enhances the food, but also promotes better digestion of those complex dishes. Now let's tackle the biggest myth out there: the detox. Time for a detox myth buster. You'll see countless claims that drinking lemon water will magically detox your body. Here's the real deal. Your body already has a sophisticated built-in detoxification system: your liver and kidneys. They do the heavy lifting. Drinking lemon water doesn't single-handedly flush out toxins. What it does is provide two crucial things for the system: hydration and antioxidants. Water is essential for your kidneys to filter waste and transport nutrients. The antioxidants from the lemon help protect your liver cells from oxidative stress. So, think of lemon water not as a magic detox potion, but as a supportive sidekick for your body's natural superheroes. The simplest health benefit is often the most overlooked. Most of us don't drink enough water. Plain water can be, well, plain. Adding a slice of lemon or lime makes it instantly more appealing and flavorful, which means you're naturally inclined to drink more. Better hydration leads to better energy, clearer skin, and improved organ function. It's a simple habit with a massive payoff. And here's a pro tip. By using the bright, intense flavor from citrus zest and juice in your cooking, you can dramatically cut back on less healthy ingredients like salt, sugar, and fat without sacrificing taste. So, what's the bottom line? Both lemons and limes are incredibly smart, healthy choices. There's no bad option here. Your choice should really be guided by your health goals, and, just as importantly, your flavor goals. The key takeaway is this: don't get caught up chasing miracle claims or looking for a single magic bullet for health. Instead, focus on building better, sustainable habits. And citrus can be a fantastic, flavorful tool that helps you along that journey, whether it's by making hydration more enjoyable or adding a nutritious kick to your meals. To put it simply, reach for a lemon when you want that extra immunity edge or a bright, classic flavor. Grab a lime when you're making bold, savory, or spicy dishes and want to support digestion in perfect harmony. Now that we've covered the health side, are you ready to taste the difference? Best uses for lemons, tea and water infusions, cakes and desserts, salad dressings, Mediterranean dishes, seafood finishing. Best uses for limes, guacamole, tacos and Mexican food, Thai and Indian dishes, margaritas and mojitos, ceviche and marinades. Chef's rule: sweet equals lemon, savory and spicy equals lime. Pick the one that elevates, not overwhelms. What's your go-to use for each? Drop it below. So who wins? For immunity and hydration, lemon. For bold flavor and cooking versatility, lime. Truth is, they're both amazing, just for different uses. Master both, and your cooking levels up instantly. Ready to pick your team? So tell us, are you Team Lemon or Team Lime? Drop a comment. We reply to everyone. If you learned something new, smash like, tap, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves food and flavor. Thanks for watching Consumer's Choice Top 5, where we reveal the real facts behind everyday foods and products. See you in the next one.